It's time to introduce you to the next 4 subscription boxes from Crafter's Companion. We've already got 9 on our website now with so many really great techniques and cool cards to make, and now I want to show you the next 4 that are available. So starting with the Cute as a Button. With the Cute as a Button, you're first going to get 300 buttons in that little pack of buttons, and the stamps that coordinate with the buttons. So here with the elephant, you would put the button on the elephant's ear. So a lot of different stamps to coordinate with the buttons. Some dies, 3 different dies, printed paper, solid cardstock, and of course the envelopes and the cards for making these. These would be really fun, and this is going to make 24 different cards. Then we go to the Stencil Pack. With the Stencil Pack, you're going to get 10 different stencils, and I pulled them out because I think they're all very special. We've got florals, and then some all over designs, all over geometric designs, and then some nice big dots. So that is 10 different stencils, watercolor tags, some punch outs with the foiling on them, really fun stamps, watercolor paper, and 2 different packs of cardstock, the second being all solid black, and of course the blank cards and envelopes. The third one makes 18 cards and has over 225 elements, but what they didn't count on the element count was all of the sequins. So here are the stamps. There's the dies. This is for making shaker cards. So of course you have nested dies for in the process of making the shaker cards, sentiments, and little flower dies, and look at these sequin packs for making your shakers. That's what I meant, but I didn't tell you all of the different elements. Each of these packs has to have well over 200 different sequins and shapes for the shakers. Then some really fun coordinated ribbons and assorted pearls, the acetate for making the top of your shaker boxes, the double-sided foam, and then printed cardstock, solid cardstock, and blank cards and envelopes. And the last one is for sentiments. So this is going to be all about the words as you put them onto your cards. 24 different cards to make. There's the assorted ribbon and pearls, and then the metal dies and the stamps with the sentiments, and some really cool printed papers, coordinated colored cardstock, and the cards and the envelopes. So this is the next series from Crafter's Companion on their Crafter's Companion boxes. Each box is a treasure to behold. There's so much product in there, and there's so many different videos that you can see from Crafter's Companion on how to make all of these really cool cards.